Hello guys, my name is Pravyadu and welcome to our channel. Today I can show you the one website where we can publish our images. I can going to talk about the Yelp account. Okay, so if you have your business account on Yelp.com, so you should have to active your profile. That could be going to rank on Yelp SERP higher. Okay, so I can show you. You guys can see I have created my multiples account on Yelp.com, multiple business account on Yelp.com. Dot com. Okay, so I can going to simply open my one business related to. So this is my Yelp business account. So you guys can see all the things I have optimized on the Yelp account. So you guys can see we have mentioned our location page. Oh my god, sorry, we need to change these things because we have updated our URL on these things. I can show you. Yeah, you guys can see this is our updated URL. So I can going to update my URL, and let me check your email ID and please provide additional context. Is this your business? Yes, go to Yelp. Okay, we haven't logged in on. So once you guys can logged in on your Yelp business dashboard, then you guys can see that kind of interface. So there is top of the left side a corner. You guys can select your specific location, which location you want to change or which location you want to update your images, any kind of information. So you guys have to click a view button top of the right corner, and then you guys can redirect your edit dashboard of your specific location. You guys can see this is our Surrey location page, and I can going to add my website URL because it's outdated. We have updated our location URL. So we can provide a reason why we are going to why we are updating our URL. So we have we have made some updated. So that's why I want to update my updated URL. Okay, then you guys have to submit your reason, and you guys can see your URL. A couple of time later your URL is going to update now. Okay, once you guys can complete these things, then you guys can go see all photos. Okay, you guys have to click there now, and you guys can upload your images. So there is a plus button, you guys can click there now, and I can go there and I can going to update traffic management ladies in Surrey. This is my alt tag for this images, and you guys have to click to upload. Okay, so if you guys have created your Yelp a business account, so you guys have to at least spend a couple of time to keep active your business account, a Yelp business account, that would be going to rank on Yelp SERP. And also you guys have to share your updated images, you guys have to contribute with the reviews, and also you guys have to make some changes on your dashboard if you guys are updating something or anything. So these things if you guys can follow, then your Yelp business account is going to rank on Yelp SERP. So if you once you guys can upload your images, then you guys have to go uh, your location, and you guys can see you guys have to click there now, see all images, then you guys can found your image. Yeah, oh, we have updated two times. So this is your Yelp image URL. So we have completed our process. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, so I can provide my social details over the description section. You guys can found me any kind of project suggestion. And for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing. If you guys can want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you can understand what I want, a couple of things from you. So okay, bye bye, take care.